Well, happy Tuesday to you. Happy Tuesday. I wonder if, and y'all know I ask you stuff because, well, I ain't got Alexa here to ask. But, oh, here. You all are going to get the answer. Hey, Alexa, where do the names of the week come from? I hope your Alexa's like, they come from the origin of blah, blah, blah. But anyway, I always wonder about that. Like how I think they were like, weren't they like gods or Greek something? Like, wasn't there a twos? He was two something. I don't know. I always think of it as two, as in it's 2 day, number 2. Wednesday. I don't think there's a word that stands for 3 for Wednesday. Anyway, I just wonder how the days became what they are. Interesting. So, how you doing? I'm doing better today. I feel less sabotagey. Sometimes I feel self-sabotagey. And I feel less today. And so, it's just, the cycle of a Terri. It's my favorite thing to bring. So that's why we have it on Tuesdays and Fridays. Taco bowl, Southwestern bowl, baby. It is my shredded cabbage from my salad, some onions, some rutabaga, some ground beef, seasonings, tomatoes, and salsa. Oh, and Thousand Island dressing. I love Thousand Island dressing on my taco bowls. Now, let's see what that. I gotta have 2 bites, so just calm your tits, y'all. Calm your tits. Huh? Well, I'm an orphan, but I just came out to count it up. By the time you get this video, I won't be an orphan anymore. My mom and her bestie are going to Branson. Mom's driving, and it's about a 5-hour drive. So they're driving to Branson today. She said there's somewhere that they stop, and they get a little sandwich. And then they're moseying their way on over. They're going to see a couple shows and who knows what. And then they come back Thursday. So, yeah, she's my little wayward wanderer, always on the go. But I'm going to crack this a little bit. So, yeah, so I am an orphan for today and tomorrow. And then she'll be back home. And then we're working on trying to figure out how we're going to do Christmas. Because family comes in at different times, different kids, different, parents. One sister, her and her 2 boys, they come in from Pittsburgh. And they come usually like the week before Christmas. The other sister and her crew, they drive down on the 25th. I was thinking I was going to take the 26th off. But things are a little tight with people using ETO during the holidays. So instead, I'm going to see about taking off the 24th. And then I'm excited. Like I said, so I'll have 2 days with 1 full day with like my sister with the boys, and then that'll be 24th if this goes through. I don't know. It's all dependent on how it goes. And then Christmas Day I'll have mom and the boys and my sister in the morning, and then my other sister, her husband, and her 2 girls. They'll be coming in the. They usually drive down on Christmas Day in the afternoon. So then we'll have that. And then 26th, I'll come to work. Even if it's just for a half day, something like that, I'll come to work. And then go be with the family. That's Friday, that afternoon, evening. And then Saturday and Sunday, I can be with the family. And it'll be everybody. So that'll be fun. But they all come to town for mom. Or, at mom's house. So that's pretty nice. Thanksgiving, mom said she's staying home this year. I can't remember why. I think it's because she's driving over to Branson this week or, for a couple days now. And she doesn't really want to drive it, maybe. I don't remember. Or something. She's got some reason she's not going to go stay with my sister for Thanksgiving. So I'll be hanging out with Judy on Thanksgiving. And then I might still go see my friend. So I'll see what Mom wants to do and plans on and all that good stuff. So there's that. I've just got the holidays on my brain because I had to figure out schedules for our team for the holidays. What else do I know, guys? I can't think of nothing right now. So I'll let you know, if something else comes to me, we'll take a walk. I know I'm going to eat, and I love you people, but I love eating more than I love you people. So, all right, love y'all. Bye. Hey, how you doing? Are you doing okay? Today's my Tuesday. Oh, so it's your Thursday. Tonight is my pool league night. If you're watching this on Thursday, that means I'll be getting excited. Sometimes I get tummy troubles on Thursdays. Like I get cramps, like poopy cramps. But I think it's because I get a little bit nervous. I love it. I absolutely love it. But I think, I used to not be so antisocial. Although, I don't know, my sister said that I used to always go home early and say it was because of dogs. And she said her boys would look at her and be like, it's not because of the dogs. And my sister would be like, no, she's just tired of people. So evidently, but I thought maybe that was a newer thing. But anyway, yeah. So what was I talking about to begin with? Oh, yeah. It's Thursday for y'all. So I'm going to be going pooling it up, y'all. I'll be pooling it up. So, I know yesterday we had the hard talk about the nuts. Well, today we're having the hard talk about the dadgum Slim Jims. I just tried to kick a rock, but it was a leaf. I think I've had 3 Slim Jims. They're the little ones. So it's about like one big chomp. The chomps. Nah, it's probably like 4 of them would make a chomp. But anyway, so... I got to tell y'all. Even if I don't tell you in the moment, if I don't tell you right away, I still tell you all. Because I feel like if all of a sudden I go up to like 190, 210 pounds, y'all need to know why. I may not be recording that bite, but y'all at least need to know what's going on and why things are going on. And so, anyway, but I'm doing okay. Also, I was about to justify it and be like, but also it could be muscle because I'm walking. Listen, muscle don't weigh. The amount of little bit of muscle I might be getting ain't going to weigh that much. But walking to the stop sign sure ain't making much muscle. But anyway, let's see. So I told y'all Mom's in Branson, going to see some shows. And do I have anything to... Well, tomorrow, labs. Tomorrow, I go to have my blood drawn, and then I see my provider next, I think in 2 weeks, just for my annual physical. So, I called my cardiologist because he wanted me to get a couple labs, so I wanted to make sure they were the same. That reminds me, I need to call my medical doctor. Hang on just a second. Okay, hot dang, that is what she orders. I didn't know. So there is a basic chem panel, and then there's like a comprehensive chem panel. So I wanted to make sure she was getting the comprehensive because that's what my heart doctor wanted. So the way our insurance works is if I go in and have an annual physical done and the annual physical labs, then it's free. There's no charge for it. It's for like the prevention stuff. So by having her do it and doing it as my annual lab work, then it's not going to cost. But if I were to go to a lab and get what he wanted ordered, then I would have had to pay for the labs out of pocket. See, think smarter, not harder. And that's a good thing because I usually get my stuff done at the beginning of the year, like my annual physical. But God said, no, I shouldn't say that. But I was lazy. And so sometimes it helps to be lazy. I don't care what people say. So yeah, it's okay to be lazy sometimes, guys. So tomorrow morning, that means I'm going to have to not have my coffee. Last time I didn't drink my coffee, and I drove to this thing, and I just kind of sat there. I was a zombie. And then I started waking up a little more and a little more on the drive back to work. So the no food part I'm okay with, but black coffee. Blech. You people that drink black coffee are tough as nails, I swear. Y'all, now I know I put in a pinch of salt and it makes it not as bitter, but it don't taste as good as the way I make it. So what I'm going to do is I'll make it up, and then I'll make my electrolytes, and I'll just set them in my car and not do it until I get there. I might take a sip of black coffee just to have a little some kind of something, but oh, excuse me. But anyway, so yeah. So tomorrow morning I go get lab work. And then as soon as I know what the answers and stuff are, I will let you people know. What else do I know? I think that's it. So I'm going to let y'all go. I'm almost back to work. By the way, did you notice we went all the way to the stop sign? And a lot of times I don't, because I wear shoes. Like I got these flats on today, but they're not bad. So they're not hurting my feet or anything. Now my boots, my ankle boots, they kind of hurt my feet. But okay, see y'all at supper. Bye. Y'all know I get excited about eating time. So let me tell you about this random thing I've got. I took 2 of my chicken patties. I don't even know what flavor. Maybe Mediterranean. I don't even know. And then I noticed that in my refrigerator, I had 2 of those chicken sausages, the chicken apple ones. And so I could put them together, and that's all this is my 2 chicken burgers and 2 chicken sausages. Oh, and then a few tomatoes. I'm like, I don't know. It's too many calories, but this, you know, I like to dip stuff if I don't dump it on it. So this is Polynesian. It's my dressing, my salad dressing, the Polynesian watered down with a little bit of Walden Farms Dijon and some ketchup. Usually I just do this stuff to be fancy for dipping, and then dump stuff in after we're done talking, but y'all know I ain't fancy. So we're just gonna dump it in there. We'll dump it on in there. And it's the G-Hughes Polynesian dipping sauce, so it's made for dipping. Except it's watered down and has some honey mustard, but that's all right. They also make a G-Hughes honey mustard dipping sauce. That's just, my Walmart don't sell it no more. That broke my heart. Try this. So that right there is my supper. I don't know. It's just random. And this tonight, it's the cookies and cream, just straight up cookies and cream. But if you remember a couple days ago or a while back, I wasn't really a big fan of it. And Sherry Morgan suggested using some extracts. Well, I didn't, and I didn't think of it till later. I just grabbed one of my coffee syrup mixes. It's the brown sugar and cinnamon, sugar-free, you know, this coffee stuff. So I put some of that in there. I'm like, oh, let's see what this does. That's good. That tastes like a cookie. Almost tastes like a cake batter cookie. Anyway, that's my supper. That's all I got for y'all tonight. It's kind of a slow day, not a lot going on, so yeah, so I'm gonna let y'all go. Tomorrow's Wednesday. We'll see what happens Wednesday. I have no idea. But that's what I ate, and let's be honest. Let's just be upfront. I will be having some more nuts tonight. Whether it's a cup, 2 cup, I don't know. But until they're gone, I will be eating them. I did finish the Slim Jims off that were at work. I took them in Monday. It was about half a pack. I think the pack was 48 or 24. Whatever it was I took, they ate them all today. Anyway, I got to get to working on myself. But anyway, so yeah. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. When the nuts are gone and when the Slim Jims are gone. When they're gone, we're going back to tracking. Because I think that'll give me something to hyper focus on again. I think right now I'm just kind of out there in the wind without something to really focus on. And so my my obsessive is just kind of, what do I obsess over? What can I obsess over? So I think going back to obsessing over calories will help. So we'll get back to that, but not till the nuts are gone. All right, bye.